and they're up. Hold That Cat draws for your lead, running by the rail is entry number 3, Wondrous Wind, then moving up party outside. High Voltage, Bring Her Up Rain racing in fourth. Ebo comes next, then followed by entry number, and that's Ikaw Ha running at the tail of the field as they rounded the last 600. Hold That Cat, High Voltage now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Wondrous Wind and Bring Her Up Rain as they turn for home. High Voltage by a long neck, running by the rail. Hold That Cat, Bring Her Up Rain moving up to take third on the outside as they turn for home. We'll have High Voltage now in command. Hold That Cat running by the rail. Bring Her Up Rain in third by the rail. Wondrous Wind, and down the stretch and leading the finish line, it's High Voltage by about 3 lengths, followed by Hold That Cat moving up. Tony P. Nash with the last 75 meters. It's going to be High Voltage. Second, close between Tony P. Ikaw Ha. Another close finish between Hold That Cat and Nash.
Nueva